Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about pandas, a Python library, and the installation, and then what type of operation we can do in this library. As some of them are mentioned here like this, but you can Google and you can see what type of operation you can do with this library and what type of operation you cannot do by using or calling this library. So initially, let's go to the Google and search some of them. Search what pandas library of Python do. So you can see, you can click on this. And I already clicked, so you can see. This is something about installation and other thing as well. Like this, yeah, these are the things which what pandas library in. What is pandas library in Python? What can you do using pandas? Getting started with pandas, and there's a lot of things, pandas series, and so you can have a lot of things. The link to these this website is mentioned in the description of this video. I mean some important links like the other as well. So you can see this will give you the installation detail and then what you can do with this, like import pandas spd. So this is just the import after the installation, because pip install pandas it has already been done. And then these are some, some getting some series, but you need to do like this: import pandas as pd, and then you can do like pd dot data frame and then print deep this like this. I'm not going into detail about these things. You need to do this when we are doing programming, but this is just about panda. And you can need the other source. This is okay. Yeah, this can give you a lot of things like the same, but if you look at this, what is pandas? And if you look at the main search in the, what is this? Pandas is a Python library used for working with the data sets. It has function for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name pandas has a reference both to panel data and Python data analysis, and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. So this is some brief, or if someone asks you what is pandas and what type of function you can do with this, so you can just briefly define like this. And more detail, there is some more detail. You can see a lot of things here in this website. Here are just a few of things that pandas does well, like easy handling of missing values, size portability. Columns can be inserted and deleted, so you can do this in OR as well, and this here as well. Automatic and explicit data alignment. And you can see a lot of things. Time series specific functionality, data range generation and frequency conversion, moving window statistic, date shifting, and logging. So this is one of the type library in Python, and you can do many things. You can explore this by yourself as well, by searching and then by implementing in the Python as well. Yeah, this is some another website. Panda is a Python library used for working with the data set. So this means one thing is clear, that you can use this to work with the data. It has function for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name data, okay, this is the same thing which we already read. Yes. Why use pandas? So you can see a lot of question like this, and you can see you can find the answer for this. Yes, data science is okay, is something different. What can panda do? And so a lot of things you can find in sources. Okay, now let's move and see, and just start Anaconda and then Spider. You can see just directly Spider as well. You can start, no problem. But Anaconda, I will explain this in the next video how you can install Anaconda, because there's multiple IDEs For Python, you can use any of them, whatever you like. And if you watch the video in Spider, we installed only single IDE. So if you install this Anaconda, then you can have a lot of options, multiple options. So I will explain this in the next video, that how you can download Anaconda and how you can install, and then how you can use different that of your choice IDE. So let's open it and then we will see. Usually the pandas install automatically by default when you install Python, or yes. But if you need to install, you can install it very easily, no problem. Okay, so this is Anaconda navigator, and you can see different IDEs or editor. You can see this is Spider and this is visual code, and yep, I'm using this one. So now let's go to launch the Spider. Okay, so now Spider is already open. I need to open a new file. Okay, and now you can see. Okay, I will show you this in the previous files. When you are doing like with the data, I have already import pandas as PD. This means that it is already installed. So just make this clear screen with the Control L. So it's clear now. You can make like a little bigger like this. Okay, and if you have not installed pandas, you can just write pip install pandas. Okay, and spider in the is okay. The following command is okay. Okay, it's already installed, but if you need to install, you need to use this command pip install pandas, and you can see this also on the website. I think it was here. Pip install pandas. So this will install pandas for you, and then if you want to use, then you need to, before the application, you need to write in your program or your here import pandas as PD, and then you can use like this pd.data frame and so on. So in the next videos we will use this more oftenly, and you will learn about pandas, application of the pandas yes, with the time. So this video was explicitly about pandas, so I think it's enough for today. So some basic about pandas, and we will do we will learn many things by doing with the Python. So thank you very much for today's video, and see you in the next video. Ciao.